Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw your application from Accenture in 2025. If you have applied and changed your mind, here's what you need to know. First, let's over to the Accurate Careers page. You'll notice there is no direct option to withdraw your application here. Pretty frustrating, right? But don't worry, there is still a way to get it done. The only way to withdraw your application is directly contacting Accenture. You'll need to go to their Contact Us page on the website. Once you're there, you'll find their phone number listed. The main method is to getting in touch with them. If you're lucky, you might also find an email address for support, but right now it's mostly a phone number. Sometimes there's also a physical office location listed. If there happens to be an Accurate or Accenture office near you, you could even visit in person to withdraw your application, though this is not the most convenient option. Alternatively, if you prefer to send a question online, there's a form you can fill out on their website. It's pretty simple, but you'll need to provide all the necessary details about your application. So, to summarize, go to the Contact Us page, call the number or send an email if provided, or visit the office if it's nearby. You can also fill out from to get in touch with them. That's how you withdraw your application from Accenture. I know it's not the most straightforward process, but hopefully this clears things up. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.